Well, guys, I think it's kind of time to start facing the facts here, don't you? Guys like me, what are we doing? Really? The news is out. It's on the wall here. Carburetors are junk. Okay? Points ignition is junk. Carburetors are junk. We just got to get with the times, okay? It's hard for me to say this, but it's true. I've heard, I've read your comments. I have listened to the populace here, the popular opinion upon the populace. It's time we go high tech, and I got just the thing. Let's go do it right now. There it is. Would you look at this outdated piece of technology? I mean, why have I been trying to stick with this thing for so long? I just don't understand it. In order to tune it, I have to come out here and fiddle with these, fiddle with that. It's too much. It's way too much. I gotta pump the gas once or twice. No. We're going high tech, okay? And here's how we're gonna do it. Now, lucky for us, in today's modern world, it's easier than ever to computerize your old car. To really get in there and make things more complicated or easier, never been simpler. So, you can pick your poison. There's tons of options out there. But for me, we're going Samsung, alright? It's not the newest model, but, anything's going to be better than what we already got, right? Now, depending on which manufacturer you go with, make sure to look, because different fasteners might be required. Let's get going. Well, I should have done this years ago. I mean, it's never been easier to completely modify your ride to make it even better than it was. Let's just make sure she don't, come off. This is the real power making right here. There we go. Yeah, let's, a little bit more. So let's make sure this is tied to the distributor. That way it can control the timing, while it's at it. Alright, that looks good. Let's go see the improvement. Alright, let's see how this new and improved baby starts up. Oh, look at that. You'd never get that with a carburetor. Let's go take a cruise, see how she is. Oh my goodness, look at the power. Oh, these computers are amazing. Yeah, I should have done this a long time ago. Woohoo! Oh, what? Oh, what in the... You gotta be shitting me. Well, what in the Sam hell? Gee, what in the... What do you mean you're updating?